For decades, Voyager 1 drifted silently into the void, an aging explorer exiled to the outskirts of reality. Too far away to be useful, too iconic to forget. It was never supposed to be a witness. It was supposed to be a memory. But now, after 45 years in deep space, with power levels barely strong enough to light a bulb, Voyager 1 has started transmitting something strange. Not static. Not noise. But something structured, something that shouldn't exist. A Nobel Prize-winning physicist has broken his silence, calling it the most unexpected data set ever returned from the interstellar frontier. And what's even more unsettling is that this may force us to rethink everything. The shape of the heliosphere, the nature of interstellar space, even how the galaxy itself breathes. So stay with us, because what Voyager just found might be the key to a secret the cosmos has hidden for billions of years. Back in 1977, Voyager 1 launched not as a miracle but as a gamble. A rare, once-in-176 years planetary alignment gave NASA a chance to sling a spacecraft across the outer planets using only gravity. The grand tour was meant to be quick, functional, maybe inspirational. No one imagined that 4 decades later, this car-sized machine powered by decaying plutonium would become the farthest human-made object in existence. Voyager swept past Jupiter, capturing volcanic eruptions on Io and hints of oceans beneath Europa. It pierced Saturn's haze, flew past Titan's thick atmosphere, then slipped out of the planetary plane and vanished into the abyss. But it didn't stop. It listened. It measured. It endured. And now, after 45 years, it's sending back a discovery so profound it has stunned the very minds that launched it. When Voyager's data stream collapsed in late 2023, NASA feared the worst: corrupted memory, failing circuitry, radiation damage. But engineers performed a maneuver like remote brain surgery, rerouting Voyager's 1970s code into backup memory chips billions of miles away. What awakened wasn't a faint heartbeat. It was a warning. Inside routine telemetry was a data bundle that defied every known model. Plasma wave readings showed persistent oscillations, structured, layered, rhythmic. Magnetic field data revealed a dramatic misalignment, something predicted only in theory but never observed. A Nobel physicist reviewing the readings described them as cosmic fingerprints, traces of forces no human instrument has ever measured. The implication? Voyager isn't just in interstellar space. It's inside a region of galactic turbulence sculpted by ancient supernova echoes, a corridor between invisible magnetic forces. And it's still alive to map it. What Voyager is charting isn't emptiness. It's hidden geography. The magnetic field out there is twisted, offset, warped, suggesting Voyager has crossed into a zone where the Sun's influence collides with the Milky Way's. For decades, scientists treated the heliosphere like a comet-shaped shield. But Voyager's new data suggests the shield is unstable, bending and flexing under external pressure. Even stranger, Voyager's cosmic ray detectors found energy gradients far too sharp to be natural randomness. These weren't ripples. They were boundaries, edges between regions of different density, zones where galactic particles behave like winds blowing through magnetic mountains and valleys. These structures can't be photographed. But they can be felt. And Voyager feels them. This has led to a radical idea. Our galaxy has a skeleton, an invisible framework of magnetic and pressure lines shaping matter on a scale we never imagined. Voyager may be tracing the first bones. Voyager should be dead. Every watt is a negotiation, every signal is a miracle. Its plutonium generators have been fading for decades. And yet the spacecraft continues to transmit the only direct human data from interstellar space. But here's where the mystery deepens. Some of Voyager's latest data suggests the environment it's entering is not passive. Plasma densities spike and fall as though reacting to Voyager's movement, almost like a system with memory. The interstellar medium, once thought to be calm, now appears to pulse. Space, even 15 billion miles from the Sun, is not silent. It's active. It's breathing. And every pulse might be a remnant of something ancient, or something aware. For years, scientists debated the edge of the solar system. Is it a clean border? A fade-out? Something else? When Voyager 1 crossed the heliopause, the boundary where solar wind gives up its influence, the transition was not gentle. It was violent. Particle flows reversed direction. Plasma density spiked. Magnetic fields flipped. It was like stepping from warm sunlight into a freezing storm. And beyond that storm was chaos, a galactic medium filled with turbulence, swirls, and high-energy disruptions. Voyager wasn't entering peace. It was entering a battlefield. The heliosphere isn't a bubble. It's a shield. And Voyager just slipped through the last thin layer of our cosmic armor. Voyager 1 also carries the golden record, Earth's message in a bottle. Long considered symbolic. Harmless. A gesture of hope. But recent anomalies in Voyager's transmission have revived an old fear. What if the golden record wasn't just a message? What if it was a signal? Engineers noticed strange shifts in signal latency and subtle changes in background frequencies, tiny but consistent. Combined with the rhythmic plasma hums Voyager detected, some theorists have suggested a chilling possibility. Voyager may not be alone in the dark. Its signal may have been noticed. Not answered. Not intercepted. But reflected, like sonar bouncing off something unseen. A Nobel physicist hinted that Voyager may have turned a cosmic key, and something opened. If so, the golden record wasn't a greeting. It was an introduction. What Voyager is doing now is more than exploration. It is mapping the impossible. Every reading plots a new kind of map, not of stars or planets, but of magnetic seams, pressure ridges, radiation cliffs. These are the highways and hazards of interstellar travel. The skeleton of the galaxy. The weather of deep space. One reading revealed a magnetic twist shaped like a spiral, almost like DNA. Some believe it could be part of a larger galactic structure holding the interstellar medium together. If true, Voyager is navigating a cosmic backbone, and its map might someday guide the first human starships. Every day, Voyager's signal weakens. Soon the plasma sensor will die, then the magnetometer, then the transmitter. Silence is coming. But before that moment, Voyager races to send everything it can. Whispers from a realm we once thought empty. It has shown us that the edge of the solar system is not a wall but a veil. And beyond that veil lies motion, memory, turbulence, and maybe something more. Voyager was built for 4 years. It survived 45. And in the most forgotten corner of the cosmos, it proved that even silence has structure and even darkness has a heartbeat. When the final signal comes, when Voyager 1 goes quiet forever, it won't be an ending. It will be a legacy, a message carried farther than any human voice in history. And now the question is yours. Do you think Voyager has crossed into something we were never meant to find? If you believe some frontiers are worth crossing, subscribe, hit the bell, and share this video with someone who still looks up and wonders. Because the universe just blinked, and Voyager blinked back.